Treasury.
Sekta mar limbe pachoka osebedo katimo maber ka duol magayo weche mag limbe pachoka Tourism Regulatory Authority wacho ni gisepuodho kendo chiwo lesen ne ohelni motenore gi limbe mahewo gana 33 bang' chopo rang'iny madwarore. Kaluwore gi duol mar KTA, maendi en medruok maneno bang' ohelni mosebedo kating'o malo limbe pachoka ka bende igeno ni kwan makama biro medore e kind thuolo mabiro. Ripot makama noyangi e kinde romo moywayo jodito mantiere sekta mar limbe e kinde romo margi e gwenge mag Naivasha e kaunti ma Nakuru.
What does it contain? What do you need to expect? I do not want to... We are on track because we have registered a number of tourism enterprises ranging to the tune of 33,000 tourism enterprises registered and licensed by the authority. And we are also doing that on the basis of standards. We have also developed quite a number of standards that forms the basis of the regulating these enterprises, and there are about 18 in total standards that we have developed as an authority to ensure that the sector is regulated in a sustainable manner.
Whereby you find that most housekeepers are not recognized. Why are they not recognized? Majority of our employers tend to think housekeeping is a back of the hotel business. But I'm here just to remind them that the room business is contributing, depending on the setup of the hotel, contributing between 60 to 80% of the total hotel revenue.